Well, here we are in almost the middle of November. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are approaching, and normally I don't make too big of a deal out of this shopping season, but I spotted a couple of Starlink deals that I think you should know about. So I'm making this video to highlight some of the things that I've seen and the deals that you can get on Starlink kits right now. I found deals for both the Starlink Mini, which is this little guy right here. This is Starlink's ultra portable travel kit. It's got an integrated Wi-Fi router. It uses just about 20 to 25 watts. You can power it from USB-C, from a 12-volt car outlet, just about any power source. I've even powered it off of a little phone power bank from a USB-C port. So this thing is definitely my favorite Starlink dish, just because it's so versatile for so many situations. I just got back from a camping trip where I used the Starlink Mini exclusively, and this thing performed great. You get speeds anywhere from 100 to 300 megabits per second down, 30 megabits per second up, depending on where you're at and your obstructions and everything. But I use this on top of the car on the drive down there to get in-motion internet when I was in cell phone dead areas, and then I deployed this at the campground and was able to stream Netflix and things in the evenings after the campfire had burned out. So Starlink Mini is great. This is their portable travel dish. The full-size standard dish is also on sale. I've got it here as well. As you can see, it's a lot bigger than the Starlink Mini, but I wanted to show that to you. This is mainly for home internet, fixed internet applications where you're not going to be needing to move this a whole lot. It's definitely not as portable as the Starlink Mini, but it does have faster speeds thanks to the bigger antenna. It has higher snow melt capability. It does use a lot more power though as a result. And in general, I recommend the Mini for portable applications, mobile applications, and the standard for home internet applications. I've got a whole video on the comparison of these two if you're interested, that I'll link below. Okay, enough chit chat about the hardware. Let's look at these deals that you can get for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And we start off at the Starlink website, but that's not actually where you find the best deal. If you get onto the Starlink website, they still have the Mini listed for $299, which is what they've had it listed for about a month. That is a sale price from the normal MSRP of $499, but that's not the best price for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. You have to go to third-party retailers to find these better prices and the deals that I'm going to show you today. And the lowest price that I was able to find for the Mini is $229 at Home Depot. So Home Depot has this listed for just $229. That is 54% off the normal MSRP of $499. This is under their Black Friday holiday deals. So this is a sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday that they've given access to early. And we've seen this from retailers in previous years where it's no longer about trying to get the deal on the specific day, but it's rather a whole shopping season where they open up these deals sometimes on a rolling basis or rotating items in and out. But $229 is one of the lowest prices I think I've seen for a brand new Starlink Mini kit. They had a sale earlier this year, I think for like Memorial Day or something, for $275, but this is much cheaper than that. So over 50% off of the normal MSRP at Home Depot, $229. If you want to check out this deal, you can click on the affiliate link, the YouTube shopping affiliate link in the description below, or the one that pops up in the corner of this video. This generates some commission income for me if you go ahead and buy that through the link, and it doesn't cost you anything, it just helps support the channel. So definitely check out the link in the description below. Home Depot is not the only place selling it at a discount though for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. You can also get it at Best Buy. It's just $1 more expensive, so $230 at Best Buy for the Starlink Mini. Pretty much the same deal, so you get to pick and choose which retailer you want to go with. Just like with Home Depot, Best Buy is listing this $230 Starlink Mini as a Black Friday, Cyber Monday holiday shopping deal. So definitely check it out. I'll also put the YouTube shopping link for that in the description below if you'd rather buy from Best Buy. The Black Friday Cyber Monday deal for the standard kit, if you're interested in the full-size dish with faster speeds, maybe for home internet usage or for permanent install on your RV or something like that, the deal is still pretty good. So on Home Depot, it's listed for $279. That's the same on Best Buy, I believe, as well. So that's around 20% off the normal MSRP of $349. Now, Starlink's been offering not only the Mini, but also the standard kit for free as a rental option for a lot of their customers, but you have to be in select areas, and also you don't own that kit. So they're just letting you basically borrow it while you pay a service fee. With these Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals from third-party retailers like Home Depot and Best Buy, you're actually gonna own your equipment. So when you buy the Mini for 230 bucks or you buy the standard for $279, you own that equipment. You don't have to worry about rental fees or penalties or anything like that. You can put it on whatever service plan you want and not have to worry about any commitments. So I like this method if you are needing to buy your dish for travel purposes, you don't want to worry about a rental, or if you have an older dish and maybe you want to upgrade to the current standard dish, this is a great option, a great opportunity to save about 20% on the standard kit. So I just finished recording the video that you're currently watching, and I'm in the process of editing it right now, and I just learned some important information that I thought I'd cut in and share with you. So Starlink is now officially listed on Amazon. This is the first time that they've officially listed products. You've seen several Starlink kits and things, accessories on Amazon, but those are all listed by unauthorized third-party retailers or resellers. But now Starlink has an official store listing on Amazon, and they're selling accessories and kits. So this Black Friday deal with the $279 Starlink standard kit, that is also now available on Amazon, officially sold by Starlink. I actually reached out to the storefront manager that's managing Starlink's Amazon store. It's a company called Virtual Supply Inc. And I also confirmed with them that they can honor Prime shipping. So when you order a Starlink kit, even one of these Black Friday deals, and you select Prime shipping, you can get it fast. And since this company handles Starlink's distribution nationwide for all third-party retailers, they can honor Amazon's Prime shipping time. So if you order this, you can get it really quickly by going on Amazon and ordering it there. So I'm gonna also put an Amazon link in the description below for that standard kit if you wanna buy it from Amazon instead. And again, this is an affiliate link, so this helps support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Now, as of right now, this is all brand new, like today. So they don't have the Mini listed yet, but definitely if you're watching this a day or two from now, check the link below and see if you can find the Mini listed on there as well. They just had that $279 standard kit and a lot of their accessories available as well. So definitely check that out. All right, back to the normal video. All right, so those are the Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals for Starlink. About 50% off the Mini kit and about 20% off of the standard kit, which is a pretty great deal. So if you've been holding out, if you've been on the fence about Starlink and you're not eligible for one of those free rental kit offers that are available in select locations, this is a great option for you to take advantage of during this shopping season. And inevitably, I'll get questions and comments about, since they're offering a discount, does that mean that there's a new version of the Mini coming out or a new version of the standard coming out soon? And it's anyone's guess. All I can do is speculate, but I can tell you for sure that what we haven't seen yet is anything new coming out in terms of FCC approvals, things like that. Those things come out before a product is launched, so I'm usually able to get kind of at least some available details before the product launch of a new dish, and I haven't seen anything like that yet. So I don't think that we'll see a new Mini or a new standard dish in 2025. I definitely expect some new model in 2026 because the standard dish came out, the current Gen 3 standard dish came out in December of 2023, so basically the start of 2024. So we're almost at 2 full years of this standard dish, the Gen 3 model. The Mini came out about 6 months after that, and I think it was July of 2024, somewhere around there. So it's not even 2 years old yet. I don't think we're gonna see, a huge improvement if we do see a new Mini model. It's not like you're gonna be missing out on much if you buy this current version and then a new version comes out in 8 months. So if you're on the fence and you're interested in either the Mini or the standard, no matter what your use case is, I think the current equipment that's on sale right now is your best option. I don't think it pays to wait, 6 months or 8 months or whatever it's gonna take to see a new dish. There's always gonna be something new coming out on the horizon. So, if you need a Starlink dish right now, then buy a Starlink dish right now. I don't think it pays to wait. So that's the video. Those are the sales that are going on. Let me know what you think of these Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals for the standard or for the Mini in the comments below. Are you gonna be picking one up? Again, make sure to check the description below for the affiliate links for my YouTube shopping for both Home Depot and Best Buy. If you click on those, it doesn't cost you anything, but I earn a small commission if you go ahead and purchase a dish through that link. Thanks for watching. Always appreciate your support. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss any of these updates, and I'll see you in the next video.